So I got to this home and poked my head over the top of the sofa and realised there was a huge mess behind it. I felt a little embarrassed for not noticing it before, but that's okay because we're going to fix it today. So to do this, I had to remove all the items behind it. I picked up any rubbish that was there or any big items that wouldn't get sucked up by the hoover. Then I wiped over the skirting boards and underneath the radiator. Once I'd done this, I gave the dust time to settle and I gave it a really good blast with the vacuum. And here we are, problem solved.